I'm giving away a Voltrover electric dirt bike just like this one right here. That's right, I've partnered up with Voltrover to kick off this new year with giving you guys a chance to win your very own electric dirt bike. There is no purchase necessary and it's free to enter. The winner will be able to choose between orange or this beautiful black, and we ship worldwide so everyone will have a chance. And make sure you stay to the end of the video and I'll show you how to enter, but first I'm going to go over some of the official stats of this e-bike. This is a full electric dirt bike that is super quiet and doesn't bother your neighbors. It's powered by a 2000 watt 21 hour amp battery with a 32-mile runtime and goes up to 37 miles an hour. It has upgraded full suspension with some beefy tires and huge hydraulic brakes that feel dialed. All you have to do is subscribe to me and Voltrover's YouTube page and like this video. Share this to Facebook and follow my TikTok. Also, tag 2 friends and make sure you comment down below, I want a Voltrover bike. Make sure you take screenshots of everything as proof. Follow the link that's pinned to the top of the comments to enter all of your information. And when you get to the giveaway page, it's going to ask you which influencer recommended you to this giveaway, and you're going to enter TeeJay's reviews in order to get credit. And after the winner receives his Voltrover e-bike, all you have to do is make a video post or a regular post featuring the bike to help spread the word. And I need at least 100 total entries to do this giveaway, so get moving. This is a free giveaway, so there's no purchase necessary. I'm going to leave all the rules down in the description to enter. And the winner is going to be picked next month, so make sure you tell all your friends about this giveaway so we can get 100 entries to give you guys a chance to win your very own Voltrover e-bike.